So sweet with a cherry on top. Coming right up on Weekend at the Cottage. I wanted to share this recipe for a beautiful maraschino pound cake. It comes from a friend of ours named Sandy. Carol tried the recipe. She says, Nick, we gotta put this on Weekend at the Cottage. I'm so glad I prepared it. It's really fantastic. And I think great if you've got weekend guests coming, if you've got people just dropping by, let's say for a get together. It's a wonderful thing to serve with a great cup of coffee or a cup of tea. The recipe starts with us tracking down premium maraschino cherries. I found ours at Domino's in St. Lawrence Market, brought the jar home, opened it up, snagged one. Try that gorgeous flavor. The texture and the flavor is perfect for this application. I take the cherries out of the jar onto a paper towel lined plate, take 12, put them to the side. The rest I'm gonna rough chop into a bowl, and then a little bit of flour, dredge them with flour, and set your cherries to the side. Now we're gonna make our pound cake. Let's start with the dry ingredients: 1.5 cups of unbleached flour, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Whisk those ingredients together, place them to the side. We have a medium bowl, 1 stick of butter, room temperature, hand mixer, mix it till it's light and fluffy. Now we have 1 cup of granulated sugar, add a little bit of sugar, keep mixing, a little bit more, keep mixing till all the sugar is incorporated, still nice and fluffy. Now we need 2 eggs, add them one at a time. First one goes in, second one goes in. Now we have our dry mixture plus 1/2 cup of milk. So start with a little bit of the dry mix, put it in, mix, a little bit of milk, back to the dry mix, a little bit more milk. And you'll keep doing this, ending. The last addition will be a little bit of that dry mixture. Once your batter comes together, we're adding 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. We're transferring to a greased and parchment lined loaf pan. Notice I just kind of do the parchment over on the sides. I'll be able to lift it out of the pan this way. Place your batter into the loaf pan, smooth out the top. Remember those 12 cherries. We're going to place them onto the top of the loaf, press them down a little bit, 350-degree oven, 50 minutes to an hour. Mine was done at 50 minutes. Took it out of the oven, let it cool. Last thing is a little dusting of icing sugar. When you cut into it, you'll discover a very rich, dense cake studded with maraschino cherries. It is divine. I'm telling you, best enjoyed with a beautiful cup of coffee or tea. Fantastic. Looking for other fantastic stuff? Head to weekendатthecottage.com. Sign up for our newsletter. Look for us on our dedicated YouTube channel. And then finally, have a conversation with the incredible Carol Bugazzi on one or more of our social media feeds: Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Like I told you, this is so sweet. So are you for hanging out and learning all about it. Come on back and visit again soon. Take care.